So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial, I will be showing you how to apply for a home equity line of credit here on Tangerine Bank. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left, press accounts. Then once you're here, scroll down to where it says open account, select that, or you can go to where it says explore our products, slide it to the right, and in the bottom right, press on borrowing. But I'll just press open up an account for this example, then slide this top bar to the right, press borrowing. Once you're on the borrowing page right here, just scroll down a couple options to where it says home equity line of credit. You can go ahead and select the arrow if you're interested, and you can go ahead and read more about it. And if this looks good to you, you can go ahead and press go to website right here. It'll then open up the website, which it's doing right now, where you can go ahead and obviously accept or decline, read more about it. And if this looks good to you, just press on apply now and proceed that way with the application. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to apply for a home equity line of credit here on Tangerine Bank. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.